Welcome back to Food and Stories. Today, we're diving into a rich, flavorful dish that's a cross-cultural culinary experience. Chinese-style braised pig's trotters. While this dish originates from China, it has made its way into the hearts of Korean street food lovers. Join us as we uncover the delicious story behind this unique street food. Chinese-style braised pig's trotters is a slow-cooked dish where pig's trotters are braised in a rich soy sauce-based broth with traditional spices and herbs. The trotters are simmered for hours until the meat becomes tender, while the skin retains its slightly chewy texture. In Korea, this dish has become a popular street food, often found at food stalls. It offers a perfect balance of hearty flavors and comforting textures, making it a go-to meal for those looking for something rich and satisfying on the streets of Seoul. Although this dish originates from China, it has been adapted and embraced by Korean street food vendors, particularly in busy areas like Myeongdong and Namdaemun. One reason this dish is so beloved is due to its high collagen content, which is beneficial for skin health. This makes it a popular choice not only among men, but also among Korean women who value its health benefits. Another interesting fact is the long, slow cooking process that gives the trotters their tender, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Some vendors even add Korean herbs to create a unique twist on the traditional recipe, ensuring that no two stalls serve exactly the same flavor. Beyond its taste, braised pig's trotters hold cultural significance in Asian cuisine. They are seen as a symbol of prosperity and good fortune, which is why they're often enjoyed during festive occasions and special events. Easily find Chinese-style braised pig's trotters in the bustling streets of Seoul, particularly in areas like Myeongdong, Namdaemun, or Dongdaemun. Street vendors with steaming pots of braised trotters attract crowds with the tantalizing aroma of slow-cooked pork and rich soy sauce. Eating this dish at a small street-side table, surrounded by the lively sounds and smells of the city, is the ultimate street food experience. The tender meat and flavorful sauce are a true testament to the skill and care that goes into making this dish. Chinese-style braised pig's trotters is loved for its rich, savory taste and high nutritional value. The tender, slow-cooked meat melts in your mouth, while the chewy skin provides a satisfying contrast. It's the perfect dish to warm you up on a chilly night, or to satisfy your hunger with something hearty yet balanced. In addition, the dish is incredibly affordable. A portion of braised pig's trotters typically costs around 30,000 to 36,000 Korean wons, approximately $22 to $27, making it a great option for those looking to enjoy a nutritious, flavorful meal without breaking the bank. If you enjoy discovering flavorful and traditional dishes, don't forget to like this video to support our channel and share this journey with your friends and family. Spread the word about Chinese-style braised pig's trotters and its deliciousness. Make sure to subscribe to Food and Stories and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our next culinary adventure. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.